Hello, you guys. It's your girl Allie. I'm back again with you guys again. Today I'm coming to show you guys a wig that I have, you guys, that will be coming soon, you guys. So I just wanted to just show you guys how I'm gonna put this wig on. I'm gonna install it, you guys. This wig, you guys, it is a virgin hair wig, you guys. 14-inch. It's already pre-plucked, you guys. Have baby hair and all, okay? And she is flawless, okay? So you guys, before I dive in, you want to see everything that I'm about to show you, you guys, and get comfortable with what you're about to see. And if you, those of you who are stopping by for the first time, welcome, okay? My channel is about hair, beauty, and so forth, okay, you guys? All right, you guys, to those of you who are my Allie babies and those of you who are new that's stopping through, I'll give you a moment to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a Allie baby fan. All right, you guys, so we're gonna dive into this video, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this wig, you guys. I am so excited, you guys, to show you guys this new hair that I have, okay? So you guys, this is the hair that I have. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So I'm gonna have it like this, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks here. Yes, honey. Look at her. Now I got it at 14-inch, you guys. I wanted to do something a little short. This is how we coming. Okay? Okay? As you can see, the lace part is transparent. It's transparent, you guys, as you can see. And you can see that it's already pre-plucked. It's already, and the baby hairs in the front, okay? All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and set up and get things situated, you guys, and then I'm gonna be right back, okay? All right, see you soon, and I'm gonna get all this stuff off, okay? Okay, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is use some Got to Be Invisible styling gel. I have it in this small tube, and I also have a bigger tube, okay? So we're gonna apply some to the front area of the hair, right here, going down. Just gonna push that back here. Go a little bit fast, but I'm not gonna talk through the whole video, you guys. I'll come back in between and do a voice over it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it, apply the cap and everything, and then I come back, okay? But you will see me do everything. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me look, you make me look. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. Finish install of this Brazilian virgin hair, you guys, and it was already pre-plucked and it already had baby hairs. Okay, so basically what I did was went back in and add a little bit more baby hair here and there, you guys, and I just wanted to wear it curly, you know, wear it curly and then, you know, just basically wear it more like a natural, like this mine's, okay? That's why I'm leaving it like this. And then I just wanted to make sure that my part was good. Yeah, you guys. So tell me, you guys, if you like what you see, you guys, don't forget to hit the bell notification and turn on your bell notification on so you can see every video that we're posting soon. And if you like what you see, give your girl a thumbs up and drop your girl a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I did this installment with this new hair that is coming to you guys very soon. I will see each and every one of you guys again. You guys, I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for watching, you guys, and thank you to those of you as well who is new to my channel and became a new Ali fam. You guys, thank you, love you guys, see you guys soon, bye.